Hi, this is Andrea. I created a book with my dad, and this is Imaginary Planet. Hi, let's see the brushes. So, see the paintbrush right here. You press it, and you see all sorts of brushes. And there's a lot of collections. So this one is like ink, this one is paint, this one is like spray paint. There's a lot of brushes. Let's start. This one looks like a cloud. Look, there's water everywhere. We're going to paint the wall today. This one looks weird.
This one is my favorite. It's a bit weird.
This brush is really shiny. I love it so much.
Well, maybe this one is my favorite.
I'm not sure about this one. A starry night. Nice. So as you can see, there are hundreds and hundreds of brushes here. But for our project, we're only going to need a few. You have to go up and you'll see a plus sign. Press it and you can name however you want your group. I'm going to name it Okay, now we have our folder. Now we're going to get the brushes we need. First brush is hard brush, in airbrushing. So we grab it, so we drag it to here. And with the other hand, we press our folder and we put it right there. And there we have it. Now let's get another brush, soft brush, in airbrushing. Let me press this and put soft brush in the folder. Okay, now flat brush. In painting, let's put it. Broken lights in luminance. And last of all, rosity in textures. Okay, I think that's all. And look, before I finish the episode, I'm going to show you a couple things. I'll show you the basic movements of Procreate. So, with your fingers. So, if I draw something, if I want to delete with 2 fingers, I press 1 time and it deletes. Or, you can also press the arrow. And if you want to redo, you press with 3 fingers. Or, you can press the other arrow. So, this is the lesson for today. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next episode, which is about the color palette.